No more mic? Okay. Listen. Please everybody, listen to the song.
Ano yan? Hindi pa kami
Listen to the song. Quiet please. Everybody, quiet please. Quiet.
3, go! There are times that I just want to feel your embrace. And it's lost in the night. There are times that I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here forevermore. Time and again, there are no changes that we can make. Shooting star keeps going on and on. My love for you will be forevermore.
May nag-text! May nag-text!
First comment.
Anong pangalan ng matabang na kanta? Mulka pa ikaw ba kay Pilipino? Parang French yata yung kinakanta mo
Parang foreigner.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung lyrics Maganda.
Member sa...
Yeah. Hindi ko lang maintindihan yung lyrics. Ayan.
Score mo?
Sigurad mo na.
Hello. Kuya kayo, nasa iyo yung ballpen.
Sigurad mo pa.
Ang ballpen nga pa yung ginagamit ng mga bata para sa paspaso.
Ano ang pangalan ng second group?
Hindi pa kami laos.
Hindi pa kami laos.
Pangalan, hindi pa kami laos.
Ngot ko lang. Ngot ko lang. The group.
Angot ko na! Angot ko na!
Quartet, parang lumalabas sa triplet. Tatlo na yung narinig kong boses. Pero
Henry.
maganda yung blending.
Yes.
Hingin mo, Brad.
At saka mas maganda.
Brad, hingin mo.
Mamaya ako sa magsalita. Natutuwa ako doon sa naka-yellow.
Nakayelo rin yun ah.
Sumayaw ka?
Okay, hindi pa kayo laos.
Ako masing uli. Next judge. Next judge.
Ngoliling.
Yan taga.
Pare!
Nagagalit ako, nagagalit. Ay, nagagalit ako si Coach, ikaw naman.
Hindi ako pwede. Ikaw ang
Matatanda.
May paggalang.
Oo, may pag-alam. Kaya naman komenta ko kayo. Sure ba kayo? Meron ba kayong kumul kayo? Hindi lang. Bigyan mo ng score ko yun.
Okay, may score na po. Mga